Welcome back. This is round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 3 and Supreme Prep on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Jaden Willocks of Supreme Prep up against Luke Ramdale of St. Hugh's Prep. Jaden, what's the width of a rectangle if the area is 54 centimeters squared and the length is 3 centimeters? Time's up. Luke, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 18 centimeters. Jaden, what is 25 divided by 40 as a fraction in its lowest terms? Question passes to you. Luke, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 5/8. Jaden, what's the sum of 47.9 and 28.7?
$76.6.
That's correct. What is 7/8 minus 5/16 as a fraction in its lowest terms? Question passes to you, Luke. Want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 9/16.
That's correct. Jaden, if $4,500 is increased by 10%, what's the new amount?
$9,000.
That's incorrect. Luke, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 4,000. Never mind, miss.
That's incorrect. Since you started the answer, that's incorrect. The correct answer is $4,950. Luke, we're over to you. What's the length of a rectangle if the area is 72 meters squared and the width is 6 meters?
$36 meters, miss.
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 12 meters. Luke, what is 15 divided by 108 as a fraction in its lowest terms? Question passes. Jaden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 5/36. Luke, what's the sum of 56.8 and 25.9?
$82.7, miss.
That's right. What is 5/6 minus a quarter as a fraction in its lowest terms?
$7/12, miss.
Time's up. Right, judges? Oh, it was right on the buzzer, so that is correct. Accepted. Luke, if $2,500 is reduced by 20%, what is the new amount, Luke?
$2,100, miss.
Sorry?
2,100.
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $2,000. And that brings us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Cameron Bryan of Supreme Prep. Cameron goes up against Kai White of St. Hugh's Prep. Cameron, which part of the human eye alters the shape of the lens?
The ciliary muscles.
That's right. Which type of rock is formed by changing the form of other rocks?
Metamorphic rocks.
That's right. What's another name for the seed leaf of a plant?
The cotyledon.
That's correct. What's the name for the process by which soil is carried from one place to another by wind or water?
Pollination.
That's incorrect. Kai, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's erosion. Cameron, which set of vertebrates are cold-blooded, aquatic, and covered in scales?
Reptiles.
That's incorrect. Kai, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Invertebrate.
That's also incorrect. We were looking for fishes. Kai, we're over to you. Which part of the human eye contains many blood vessels?
Retina.
Kai, say again.
Retina.
That's incorrect. Cameron, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the choroid. Kai, when a volcano erupts, which type of rock is formed?
Sedimentary.
That's incorrect. Cameron, want to try?
Igneous.
That is correct. Kai, what's the name for a flowering plant with 2 seed leaves? Question passes. Cameron, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Dicotyledon.
That is correct. Kai, what's the name for the process by which rocks are broken down to produce tiny particles of soil? Question passes. Cameron, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Weathering.
That is correct. Kai, which set of vertebrates are cold-blooded and lay soft-shelled eggs on land?
Reptiles.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between the captain of Supreme Prep, Captain Dominic McIntosh, is up against Deanna Staple of St. Hugh's Prep. Captain, change the tense in this sentence to the future continuous tense. Mom went to church on Sunday.
Mom will be going to church on Sunday.
That's right. Captain, complete the proverb. All's fair in love.
And hate.
That's incorrect. Deanna, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's and war. Captain, give a 6-letter word starting with M, which is an antonym for servant.
Maid.
That's incorrect. Deanna, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's master. Captain, spell prophetic. Question passes to Deanna. Want to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Prophetic.
That is correct. Captain, in the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean the past tense of eat and the number which comes after 7.
ATE and EIGHT.
That is correct. Diana, we're now over to you. Change the tense in this sentence to the present continuous tense. I will buy a book at school.
I am buying a book at school.
That's right. Complete the proverb. Fire is a good servant. Dominic, want to try?
Yes, miss, but a bad master.
That's right. Diana, give a 4-letter word starting with R, which is a synonym for affluent. Captain, want to try?
Yes, miss, rich.
That is correct. Diana, spell pharmacy.
PHARMACY.
That's right. Diana, in the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean to stop a vehicle and to shatter something into pieces.
BRAKE and BREAK.
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Brandon Bryan of Supreme Prep. Brandon goes up against the captain of St. Hugh's Prep, Captain Leah Whittingham. Brandon, what's the name for the imaginary lines that are drawn from north to south on maps?
Lines of longitude.
That is correct. Brandon, at what minimum age can you vote in general elections in Jamaica?
21.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 18.
That is correct. Brandon, which zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer? Captain, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the temperate zone. Brandon, what's the capital of St. Vincent and the Grenadines?
Kingstown.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the high school Monroe College?
St. Elizabeth.
That is correct. Captain, we're now over to you. What's the name for a severe storm in the tropical Atlantic with winds in excess of 118 kilometers per hour?
Hurricane.
That's right. At what minimum age can one become a member of parliament in Jamaica?
35.
That's incorrect. Brandon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 21 years old and older. Captain, which zone lies between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer?
Temperate.
That's incorrect. Brandon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the tropical zone or the torrid zone. Captain, what's the capital of St. Kitts and Nevis? Brandon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Basseterre.
That's correct. Captain, in which Jamaican parish is the Bogwalk Gorge?
Portland.
That's incorrect. Brandon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. St. Catherine.
St. Catherine is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 11 and Supreme Prep on 19. Stay tuned, the final challenge will determine our winner right after this break.